friends, welcome back to our channel Tanmai's Experiments. In today's video we are gonna see how to make a body module of a robot. First, let's see the materials required. We need A10, C4, P5, P8, P6, P1 motor, P4, B6, C5, A11, D1 and D2. Now let's see the procedure. First, put C4 into A10 as shown in the video. See, this is C4 and the black color is C10. Now put P5 on A10 as shown in the video. See, I have put P5 on A10. Now put P8 into hole, that is next to P10. Now insert P6 into P8. Now put P1 motor as shown in the video. Now insert P4 into P5 as shown in the video. Now put B6 into P8. Now put C5 into P4. See friends, this is A10 and this is A11. Now you have to insert both of them together as shown in the video. Yes, A10 and A11 is inserted together. Now put D1 and D2 in each side of the body to cover the wires. See, D1 is put and then put D2 the other side of the body. Yes, our body module of a robot is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Tanmai's Experiments and also activate the bell icon to be notified by the upcoming videos.